Well, how did I do that? Well, let me just turn off the navigation first. On older models, such as this one, which is a 2455, there is, under apps, the picture viewer. Now, what I'm about to show you only works on the older stuff. 2455, 2495, 2555, 2595. The older 265, 255, I'm talking about nuvis. So models from the late 2000s. The 2497, 2597 and beyond don't do this because they got rid of the picture viewer. Garmin did. But in this one you got it. So there is a folder where you can drop a JPEG file. Now ordinarily you got the stock Garmin images. These are images from Garmin, but I put in the Toyota logo and I just load it up, and from here I can show it startup, yes or no. And when I say yes, it shows the Toyota logo like it showed when I just a few minutes ago when you saw that. And from this same screen, if I want to turn that off and just go back to the standard logo, I say no. And then tap and go back. And now what will happen is that if I turn this off, give it a few seconds here, and then restart, it will be back to normal. You won't see the logo now that I put on there. But if you do have the picture viewer, then yes, you can put a custom photo or image of your choice.